In this video, we're going to learn how to change the country or region on your YouTube account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're relocating or looking to access features not available in your current region, this video is for you. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube mobile app on your iPhone or Android device, and ensure you're logged into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Settings option to access your account settings. From there, tap on General, which will take you to a page with several options. Since we're looking to change the country, tap on the Location option. A list of countries will appear. Just scroll through and select your desired country. You can also change it to a different location to access features that might not be available in your current region. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.